Hi, in this video we will figure out how to stake CRU and WCRU tokens on the Cryptounit blockchain. We will learn how to properly refresh balances and how to claim the UNTB tokens that you've mined. If you have a certain number of available CRU or WCRU tokens on the Cryptounit blockchain, you can earn passive income, stake them, let them work, and mine utility tokens UNTB. To do this, go to the Staking tab and select the desired section. Now you can start staking or unstaking. In this window, you can see all the necessary information about the number of tokens available for staking, frozen, and already staked. In the input box, enter the number of tokens you want to stake and click the blue button. Right after the start of staking, you will begin earning UNTBs. Follow the same procedure if you want to unstake your tokens. Enter the required number of tokens to unstake and press the blue button. Please note that it takes 72 hours to unstake your tokens. If you go to the staking page and see this message, then you need to update your staking balance. To do this, click on the Update button and wait until the wallet pulls up all past transactions. If you have not updated your wallet for a long time, you need to keep updating it until it reads "Updated in a few seconds." If you see a counter in this box after clicking on the Update button, do not leave this page and wait for the update to complete. After that, you can claim your freshly mined UNTB tokens by clicking on the green button Claim UNTB. This way, all your tokens from staking will be transferred to the main account of your wallet.